Hey there, welcome to Young Man Cooking. I'm Wil Yeung. I was just about to make my daily cup of matcha. Come stay a while. If you're new to the channel here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. If you've been following the channel for quite some time, you might have come to know that about 13 years ago, I opened my first brick and mortar business, which was actually a music school. During that time, I was also building a photography and video business, which financially was very tough business, but it did allow me to embark on some pretty amazing adventures like filming in Japan, South Korea, Mexico, and Dominican, to name a few. After selling the music school, I then started a super random coconut and almond milk business, so I can say with absolute confidence that I actually got pretty good at cracking coconuts. After running that business for a year, wait a minute, I think that business was actually running me. Cracking coconuts, bottling the product, getting the lab testing done, marketing and delivering the product, testing new SKUs, and making absolutely no money in the process, I decided it was time to move on from that. However, during that time, I started this little cooking show on YouTube as a means to promote some of those products and of course have a fun little cooking show at the same time. While still working as a photographer and videographer, I was mainly on the go, so learning how to make uncomplicated food that was easy and delicious was really important to me. Another reason why filming the recipes was important was actually so that I could look back and remember how to make certain recipes. I still remember many years ago how this channel only had about 100 subscribers. I was one of them and naturally, of course, the biggest fan. And without your regular engagement and being part of this wonderful community, the now 3 Young Man Cooking cookbooks, merch, and masterclass would not exist. I say this because I'm incredibly humbled and grateful. Oh, I forgot I had something baking. I hope you like that. This definitely does not feel real at all, and yet it's so incredibly special. When I began this small cooking show on YouTube, I had absolutely no expectation where it would go, how many people it could reach, how much value it could even bring, or how many times I had to make smoky, spicy chili oil. Although the journey was long and unknown, you could say that this milestone took over 10 years to bake fully golden. There are so many extraordinary cooking shows here on YouTube, so it really means a lot for us to spend some time to cook together. There's more exciting news and scrumptious recipes to come, so be sure to stay tuned, subscribed with that notification bell clicked. There's an old proverb, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. No matter where you are in your own personal food or life journey, time is too precious not to take that first step, and of course to help as many people as you can along the way. Cheers to you for being part of this incredible 1 million subscriber milestone, and of course, cheers to many, many more delicious meals to learn and enjoy together.